In English, expectations and expectatives are often confused due to their similar roots and shared connection to the idea of anticipation, but they have distinct meanings and usages. Expectations is the correct and commonly used word in English to refer to beliefs or assumptions about what will happen or what is considered reasonable to occur in the future. For example, the teacher had high expectations for her students, means the teacher anticipated a certain level of achievement. Expectations can be applied to personal, professional, or societal contexts and typically convey a degree of certainty or hope based on evidence or standards. On the other hand, expectatives is not a standard English word. Rather, it is a false cognate for speakers of Romance languages like Spanish or French, where expectativa exists and translates to expectation in English. As a result, learners of English sometimes incorrectly use expectatives when they mean expectations. For example, a Spanish speaker might say, "My expectatives are high," instead of the correct, "My expectations are high." This confusion arises because learners assume the direct translation of expectativa into English is expectative, when in reality expectations is the proper term. Interestingly, expectative does exist in English, but in extremely rare and specialized cases, used in historical or ecclesiastical contexts, to describe a right to succession or a future benefit, which is unrelated to the everyday use of expectations. To avoid mistakes, learners should recognize that expectations is the universally appropriate term for discussing hopes, assumptions, or predictions in English, while expectatives is best avoided unless discussing specific, archaic contexts. This distinction is key for clear and accurate communication in English.